Now what I've done is I've taken a coordinating bow that I've used on wreaths throughout the kitchen and tied it on the soup tureen. And then I used a wonderful evergreen wreath that I have collected over the years and some winter berries. These winter berries are on a garland, which you can buy those online or specialty catalogs. It's a simple decoration, but it makes a statement, of course, with the red and the green. Now this is a wonderful, simple idea, but you could also do this with a punch bowl. You could use this as a decorative idea for a favorite stand or table. I just love the idea of using what we already have. So I hope you enjoy this tip, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday. See you again soon.